Looking for a lightning cable that charges your iPhone fast and lasts longer? The right charger makes all the difference when you need quick power without worrying about wear and tear. Whether you have an iPhone 12, 11, XR, or even older models like the iPhone 6 or SE, this cable delivers consistent, max speed charging every time. I've tried plenty of cables before, but this one stands out because of its reinforced design. The durable covering gives it extra strength, so you can bend, twist, or pull it without fearing it'll fray or break. Plus, the metallic connector joints come with a strain relief design that can handle up to 15,000 bends. That means it's built for real life, whether you toss it in your bag or use it daily at your desk. Another big plus? It's MFI certified. This isn't just a random cable. It's officially approved by Apple to work safely with your iPhone, iPad, or iPod. That certification means you don't have to worry about overheating or short circuits, protecting your device while charging. It's compatible with a wide range of Apple products, from the latest iPhone 12 series to various iPad models and even iPods. If you're tired of cables that fail just months after buying them, this lightning cable is worth a look. It combines fast charging speeds with durability and safety, so you get a reliable connection every time you plug in. Whether you're charging at home, in the office, or on the go, this cable keeps your devices powered without the hassle of frequent replacements. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging experience. With this cable, what you get is peace of mind, fast power delivery, and a product that's designed to last. If that's you, someone who values reliability and efficiency, this iPhone charger cable fits the bill perfectly.